Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have so many cute makeup products right in front of me and I'm very excited to try these. This is like a new brand which just launched in India and I purchased few products from Hawk Makeup. This is not going to be a sponsored video. I was scrolling through the app just like I always do. I saw this brand called Pink Flash and so many of their cute products. I searched their Instagram page and oh my god, I was blown away. These makeup products are so beautiful. I think this is an Indonesian brand. I'm not really sure, but I guess it is. I forgot to mention that these products are so affordable, like literally so affordable. I was amazed to see the price. So these are the products that I have. Let me show you what I grabbed from Hawk Makeup. I have this eyebrow pencil, then I have this beauty sponge which I'm gonna use now. I also have a powder, like a loose setting powder. I'm so excited to try these cute blushes. I have these powder blush, a liquid lipstick, plus this eyeshadow palette. This is what the eyebrow pencil looks like. It's obviously a pink color eyebrow, not a pink color eyebrow pencil, like the packaging is pink and you get your eyebrow pencil on this side which looks something like this. It's a beautiful grayish natural brown type of a color which I really love. I really loved how it looks very natural on my eyebrows, and I love a gray undertone eyebrow pencil. I don't want it to be very cool tone, but I want it to be somewhat neutral, a little bit cooler, a little bit more brown, and this is what it is. It also comes with a spoolie to brush your eyebrows really well. I really love the eyebrow pencil. It's very affordable plus easy to use. The only thing is that this particular thing is very hard, so I was expecting it to be a little bit more creamy. This is what the beauty sponge looks like. This is a beautiful pink. It's very soft. Wow, it's very soft. This is the regular side, and now I'm gonna wet this and I will see how it feels. So this is what the size looks like. It's completely wet and I'm really in love with this softness. Like, it's very soft, feels so soft on my skin, plus the texture is not really cheap. I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario foundation and let's see how it works. I generally use my Makeup by Mario foundation with a sponge because it's a very full coverage foundation. And let's blend this out. Wow, this beauty sponge is so soft. It's definitely soaking up the product, I can feel that, but that is what I want when it comes to full coverage foundations. So this is what my face looks like, and this beauty sponge really worked well. But if you are someone you don't want your beauty sponge to soak up a lot of product, then this is not for you because it did soak up a lot of product. So now I'm going to use my concealer using this one from Makeup Revolution. This is the IRL Filter Concealer. And again, I'm going to use the beauty sponge to blend this out. I'm just using a little amount because I used a very full coverage foundation. So I'm going to take this side of the beauty sponge, and it's really very soft. It's more like a, bouncy type of a product. It's very easy to use. This is how it is. Blending the concealer. Concealer done. Beauty blender is really good. Now it's time for the loose powder. This is the Pink Flash Lasting Matte Loose Powder. And I think I picked up the shade F06. I don't know, but it looks something like this. It's so cute. This is the cover and it comes with a puff. Look at this. The puff, I'm just going to, before I use it on my face, just so it does not look too much powdery, tap it under my eyes. Wow, it's really good. It's not giving me like a white weird cast. Is looking very blurring under my eyes. It's not heavy, which I definitely think is a plus point. and the puff is really good quality. Like, this is working really well. This is what the powder looks like. Isn't it so pretty? It's very mattifying, which I want to mention. It's extremely mattifying. Also going to control the oil, I guess, because this is very mattifying. It's not disturbing my foundation, not disturbing my concealer. It's also not looking gray, because sometimes like a powder can make your concealer look more gray, or your foundation can look more gray because of the powder, but it's not looking something like that. It's very smooth, very lightweight, very easy to use with this puff. I really loved the puff. Just want to mention that it actually blurred out my pores. Like, this area looks so smooth. It literally looks like I have a soft filter on my face. Look at this texture. Does not look patchy, does not look powdery. It gives you this beautiful smooth finish, and so affordable at the same time. Oh my god, I really loved it. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer. I don't have a bronzer from Pink Flash, so I'm using this one from Makeup Revolution. I think I need a little bit of bronzer. What the eyeshadow palette looks like, the outer packaging of the palette. This is the palette. Look at this. This is also again a plastic packaging, feels a little bit cheap, but I am very excited to try this out because it looks so cute. I know that I should have used this bronzer, but you can see how orangey that is. I'm not gonna put that on my face. You also, this is like a full-on palette, so you get your eyeshadow, you get something for your face, like your highlighter, your blush, your bronzer. So this is what the palette looks like. Every single shade is beautiful except the bronzer shade. It's way too orangey, so I'm gonna use it as my eyeshadow only. This is what it looks like. Very cute, very beautiful, and the shade range is amazing. I really loved it. Like, it's more deeper. It actually screams fall, and it will suit every single skin tone. So amazing product. Let's do a quick eye makeup look with this. I was actually ready to say bad things about this palette, but no, this eye makeup look turned out so good. It was easy for me to use, zero fallouts at all. Yes, zero fallouts. Especially with cheaper eyeshadow palettes, you will get fallouts. Not only cheaper eyeshadow palettes, there are some high-end eyeshadow palettes which will give you fallouts, but this was like amazing. Zero fallouts at all, and I am so surprised to see how beautiful this eye makeup looks like. I used a transition color all over my eyelid, used this highlighter shade as my inner corner highlight, and this deeper chocolate brown color as a smudged out liner. That's pretty much it, and it was very easy for me to use this palette. I was not expecting, but it's so good. Now it's time for the blush, which I was waiting, and this is what you have the blush color. You can see how cute these are. These are very small, but I don't know, these are so adorable. I picked up two shades. I don't think they have the shade name, so this is what it looks like. This actually contains, you can see a little bit of shimmers in it. It's like a coralish type of a shade, and this is also a coralish type of a shade, but more pink, but it contains a pink undertone, and it's completely matte. So this is like a shimmery one, and this is the matte one. both are amazing. I'm gonna mix these two together and let's see how it looks. These are very pigmented, so be careful how much you're using. I'm just mixing both the colors, dusting off the excess because it's very pigmented, and let's see how it looks. So pretty. Oh my god, this is adorable. Pigmented but in a good way. You will not end up ruining your entire makeup. Totally see how beautiful that looks. You will love this blush. I'm not kidding. It's absolutely amazing. It does not look patchy. It gives you this beautiful glow because I mixed that glittery one, so it looks so pretty. I have a little bit of, you know, a dry texture right over here, so I can see a spot, but rather than that, it looks amazing. I will definitely skip the shimmery one because I think that one can enhance the texture of your skin, but the matte one is absolutely amazing. This is what the lip color looks like. It's just a normal regular lipstick. I'm gonna remove my lip gloss. So I'm just going to apply a little bit and use it like a blurring tint. It's like a regular liquid lipstick. It's matte. It actually feels very cushiony on my lips, which I really love. I just used my fingers to blur out and it looks so good. My entire makeup is looking amazing today. What do we think? I think my makeup is looking so beautiful right now and I am so happy with all the products. The product price is very affordable, but the quality is so beautiful. I'm very happy with my entire makeup look. My skin just looks beautiful right now. My eye makeup is amazing. I just love these type of eye makeup looks and it was so easy for me to do it with the eyeshadow palette. The blush is blushing and it's looking so pretty right now. I just love how my lips look right now, my eyebrows. Every single product was so good. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions or any suggestions, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see you on my next video. Bye.